Hey guys, it's Jeremy here with Artec, and we're here at the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo, and I wanted to show you a brand new line of TJ products that we are unveiling here. So first and foremost, on the front of this TJ, you're gonna see a few things. You're gonna see our new bumper design. So there's gonna be a few different options. You're gonna be able to get the bumper either with or without the stinger, just like our Nighthawk and Bantam series for the other, JKs, JLs, and JTs. You're also gonna see this little fair lead bracket right here. So if you got a winch on there, you're needing a fair lead, you can attach it right there. If you come under the Jeep right here, you're also gonna see something new, very special. It's our JL JT swap kits. So for those of you guys that are wanting to swap either JL or JT axles underneath your TJ, we've now got the front and rear swap kits. I know these have been super heavily requested. We've had lots of people wanting them, and we finally delivered. So now you can get those things underneath your Jeep, get that TJ sitting a little bit wider, and just that much more strong for the trail. So as we move back on this Jeep real quick, you're gonna see a couple things. These right here are gonna be our new front fenders. They are gonna come in aluminum, so they'll be fully TIG welded and everything like that. And it's a really nice profile on the Jeep. It keeps the fenders out enough where, highway patrol, police officers shouldn't really give you any issues as far as legality, but it still gives you more than enough clearance. That way you're gonna be able to sneak through rocks and be good to go on the trail. Right up in here, behind those fenders, you're gonna see our new TJ LJ inner fender flares. So those things are gonna be vented. That way you can clear out any sort of heat, anything like that, that's gonna be up in the engine bay, but still, of course, keep rocks, pebbles, dirt, other stuff like that on out of the engine bay. Way more clearance in your wheel wells for tires and everything like that. And of course, it just looks better and is way more protective than those little black plastic ones from the factory. Speaking of protection, the next thing you're gonna see is these new sliders. These TJ sliders are sick. They are beefy. They will protect your rocker panels right here. It's even got the nice little contours for the Jeep logo right there, because it's gotta function good, it's also gotta look good. But right up under here, you're gonna see these beefy both sides. They're gonna go up under the Jeep. They'll wrap up right up in here. You won't actually have to mess with your body mounts, but they'll just kind of bolt up right along it. So it won't take any welding. It'll just be a drill and bolt on type of application. Very simple, very easy. Just like these guys. And that's gonna be our corner armor. So you'll see them featured here right now with some fenders. So same thing for the front. For those of you that are wanting fenders, wanting to stay legal on the road, stuff like that, you can add these fender options and be able to have your tires covered. For those of you that are looking for, more of a trail rig, something like that, you don't have to get the fenders. You can just get the corner armor option. And we are going to be offering these either with the standard TJ wheel well cutout or as a blank template. So if you're trying to do comp cuts, anything like that, we'll see a lot of people with TJ buggies made out of the tubs with a tube chassis. That's gonna be a great option for you, would be the blank templates. So as we move around the backside, you'll see a couple other things we've got here to debut. This is gonna be our TJ LJ rear bumper. Same thing, super slimline, super low profile. It's nice and high up to the body, and it's super beefy, super stout, very easy bolt-on application, and it's gonna give the back of your Jeep all the protection and good looks that it needs. And speaking of looks, with the corner armor, it just seems like it would need to be complete with the under tailgate protection. So we did also offer this tailgate plate right here. So if you wanna have that kind of complete look with your full tailgate and corner armor, you can get that piece in addition. The last two things I'm gonna go over while we got you here, TJ spare tire deletes. So we got a lot of people who are keeping their spare tires, going with some spare tire carriers. And then of course, a lot of guys just don't want that extra weight on the back of their vehicle. So for those people, we've got these spare tire delete kits. It'll bolt right up to the back of your TJ or LJ. So again, super easy bolt-on application. It'll come in aluminum, so you don't have to worry about any rusting, anything like that. And then the last thing, the rear axle swap kit for the JT and JL axles. So we've got that underneath here as well. We've got a couple other things that are gonna be coming down the pipeline as well. I know we're gonna be doing some Highline fenders, some other LJ stuff, a couple things that I'm not gonna talk about yet, so you gotta come back. But if you got any questions about any of this product, you wanna see more, learn more, anything like that, go to artecindustries.com today or give us a shout at 855-278-3299. Thanks.